Hi, and welcome to the next video of Network Thoughts, the YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at Go Fly Private, the new scheme from Mumbai headquartered Go Air, which is trying to introduce something new to the market to ensure that more people fly in current times. Over the last couple of weeks, we have observed that the number of flyers have remained the same, though the total number of domestic flights have gone up, indicating a slight drop in load factors across airlines. One of the reasons which has been cited by passengers is lack of safety in flying during current times. While airlines are doing everything they can to make the environment as safe as possible, and this includes providing PPE kit, face shield, gloves, masks, and a lot of other things overall as a process to ensure that things are safe, passengers still don't want to travel. And what does Go Fly Private do to do this? So if you're a passenger who is not sure who your co-passengers are or who are the people flying along with you, you can block a section of the aircraft all for yourself. Now look at this. A couple of days ago, 3 airlines, and I've covered this in a video and how it works before, 3 airlines said that you can book an adjacent seat so that the seat next to you would be empty. However, you still don't know who is sitting on the seat after that, or in front of you or behind you. So if you are a passenger who would want to block an entire section, be it 3 rows, 1 side, 2 rows, you can just do it with Go Fly Private, right? So this is how it works in terms of getting the booking done. So overall, these systems are never configured to handle anything like this, be it a full service carrier who is using a GDS or a low cost carrier like Go Air who is on a non-GDS system. The systems are not configured at all to handle this. So this is being handled by the airline like a group booking. So if you're a passenger who would want to block 9 seats, and let's say one side of the plane, you sit in the middle seat, you block 3 seats in front of you, you block 3 seats behind you, and the left and right seat to you. So you're blocking 9 seats and you are the lone passenger in these 9 seats. So you have to reach out to the airline on an email ID which they have given and tell the number of seats, the date of travel, and the sector on which you want to travel. After which the airline will come back to you with a quote telling you that, okay, for these seats, this is what you will have to pay. If you agree to pay that, they will go ahead, generate a PNR for you and send it back to you. And you have an option of paying for this PNR through either the airline's mobile app or the website. And once you've made this booking, you will have your PNR confirm the ticket with you and you are free to travel with all 9 seats as yours. The interesting part here, the airline is not giving you baggage allowance for 9 seats. It just wants to give you baggage allowance for the 1 seat on which you are going to be, and the rest 8 are not going to give you anything extra, but just a peace of mind that nobody is going to sit anywhere around you. So do let me know what you think about this kind of new ancillary revenue coming into Indian skies. Will you be opting for any service like this? Do you think somebody else will opt for this? And what do you think about this video? For more such videos, do subscribe to this channel. Look forward to your comments and feedback, and do let me know which is the next video I should do to ensure that I can reach out to you with the best of Indian aviation. Thank you for watching this video.